The ceremony to appoint the new Shahi Imam for Jama Masjid will take place this evening. Now, though the Delhi High Court yesterday said that the Shahi Imam Bukhari has no right to appoint his son as the Shahi Imam. Now, the court wants answers from the Delhi Waqf Board and the centre.
An anointment ceremony announcement, which was the talk of the town last month, now caught in a legal tangle. The Delhi High Court today said the ceremony to anoint Shahi Imam Ahmad Bukhari's son as the Naib Imam of Jama Masjid would not amount to an appointment. The order, though, did not restrain the Imam from holding the ceremony, as the court believes it's a private family function. Instead, ordered the centre and the Waqf Board to file a response by 28th of January. This means the ceremony will take place on Saturday, much to the displeasure of the Delhi Waqf Board.
अदालत ने ये भी कहा कि इसकी कोई कानूनी हैसियत नहीं है, तो इस हकीकत ये है कि इस तकरीब की मजहबी हैसियत है, शरई हैसियत है, इस बात से इनकार नहीं किया जा सकता.
When we tried to speak to the soon-to-be anointed Shahi Imam for his opinion, this is what the young 19-year-old had to say. Posters like these are seen all around Jama Masjid area as the debate over the anointment of the young Shahi Imam is all set to take place tomorrow.
हम लोग ये सोचते हैं बहुत अच्छा कदम है, बहुत बढ़िया कदम है और हमें लोगों के यहाँ तो खुशी की लहर हो रही है और यही होना चाहिए.
With the growing influence of Bukhari family over Jama Masjid, questions are also being raised on the role of the Waqf Board. When the position of the Shahi Imam has been held by members of the Bukhari family for quite some time now, then what's the issue this time around? Why is the board opposing the anointment of his son this time?
See, as per the judgment of Supreme Court in All India Imams Organization, we have a relationship of employee and employer. And nobody can be thrusted upon us as an employee.
Despite the reservation of the Waqf Board and the anointment not standing the test of law, the gala celebration is all set to take place here at the historic Jama Masjid. For the Imam, it's a moment of show of strength. But the bitter battle fought to reclaim power and legacy by Imam Bukhari have left many questioning the sanctity of his office. In New Delhi with camera person Shalik Ram, Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.